This is the FBD program for the conveyor. So we use the up and down counter to count how many boxes is on the conveyor. So the start sensor is connected to the up trigger and the bin sensor is connected to the down trigger. So the start sensor count how many boxes is placed on the conveyor, and the bin sensor count how many boxes fall off the conveyor, and the count value is how many boxes is currently on the conveyor. So we use the greater or equal block to compare the count value to the input 2. So here we compare the count value to 1 if the count value is greater or equal to 10, so the output is the green line. If the output is greater or equal 7, so it will be the input for the AND block here. For the second input, we're gonna use the less than or equal, so we compare the count value to 9, which is the input 2 here. So basically in these two combination is if the boxes on the conveyor is between 7 and 9, it's gonna be the input for this AND block, and the output is yellow. So for the last one, we use the less than or equal block, and this will compare the count value to 6. So if the count value is less than or equal to 6, the red light will turn on, and the start sensor button, and this one just have this variable to control the start, and this one control the bin sensor. So here, for example, because we didn't do any input for the start sensor and the bin sensor, so then the count value is less than 6, so less than 7, so then the red light is on. If we put, so now assuming that we put more boxes on it, so now the boxes on the conveyor is 8, so it's between 7 and 9, so the yellow light is on. If we keep putting more on it, so then the green light was on because it's now 10, so it's equal to greater or equal to 10, so the green light is on. Let's say we do it a little bit slow, and then it starts falling off the conveyor, so then it's 8 now, it's between 7 and 9, the yellow light is on, and similarly red light will on if 7 is less than 7 items.